So this is how you're going to create a multi-metric widget on a dashboard in Peel. So you have your dashboard here, and you're going to click, we don't have anything, it's clean space, so we're going to click Add Widget. And I'm going to click this one, multi-line. We also have other options you can grab from reports, slices, goals, or a map, but I'll click Save to the dashboard. It's going to pre-populate with a bunch of different metrics, but I want to edit these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, Edit Widget. And now I'm going to probably just remove most of them because I have an idea of what I want to do. I'm going to add a stat, and I'm going to look for the stuff. So let's do average order value. I'll press save just to show you now. So here we go. And if I click here, this will take me to that average order value report. But I want to add more. So I'm going to add another stat, orders. I also could add subscription metrics around ad spend. You will see that there's all the metrics available, and it's a lot. So I tend to sort of search for what I'm after, but you could also, browse. Okay, so that's a good number. I'll press save. And now here we go. Here's my widget. Now this is looking at the past rolling 30 days, but I want to look at it year to date or month to date. So I'll just change the date range. And they're the daily metrics, but here we go. So this is the average order value yesterday, gross sales yesterday, ad spend yesterday, and I get my stats. And that's it. And now I could add other metrics onto this. I could add audiences, I could add slice reports, other reports that I might be interested in. My pacing sales report, I could add it here and fill out this dashboard. And that's how the multi-metric widget works and how dashboard building works. Additionally, before I jump, you can press share and you can share out this dashboard to anybody. You can create a read-only link, or you can schedule this dashboard and say, oh, I want this to be sent Monday through Friday via email, and I'll put the person's email address in, or I could send it via Slack, and I connect our Slack account. And there you go. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.